We're in today with the GTX 1050 Ti. This is a 2016 video card from ASUS with 768 shaders. It's got 4GB of VRAM GDDR5 running at 1380 MHz on the core clock, 1752 MHz on the memory clock, 128 bits bus width, and today we're gonna pair it up with this i7-6950X with 10 cores and 20 threads. Legend of a video card, but the best thing we can do, jump in a couple of games and see if we can fill up that 4GB of VRAM. Let's go. Very interesting performance from this video card in Marvel Rivals. This is gonna be very good. 1080p low details with performance on upscaling in order to get playable FPS. This is good. This is not good. This is fantastic. Actually, I'm lost. I got 3.2GB of VRAM allocation. This is the most important thing if the video card can be used here. Temperature was 49 degrees with automated fan power. Seriously, this is a decent performance from the video card with 4GB of VRAM. Doesn't have a lot of power on the bus width. It's got only 128 bits bus width, but like that you can see that it's kind of good. It's holding pretty well, doesn't have any problems. So I will call this a big win for the video card with 1080p. Maybe if I want FSR down, I can put maybe lower resolution, but until now everything is good with this. Considering the age of the video card, you can see that it's kind of good here. Apparently I put low details with 1080p in order to see how it's performing. I was like, okay, low details, because until now everything looks like it needs low details. But wow, 200 FPS, seriously, this is a 90% load on the video card score. Not a lot of stress on the video card in this case, but it does the job here, seriously. This is kind of nice to see this performance. You got more? I can offer you more. Look at that. I'll give you two. 3, 4. How many are? Seriously, come on. I have for you too. No. This is my place. Holy smoke, I'm banging them. Oh, no. Calm down. Oh. Okay. My place, seriously. Very good performance from this. Just because I had 200 FPS, it feels very snappy. You can see the low quality, you know, but I think render scale it's less than 100%. We can adjust that one. But if we can stay here with this type of performance, it's gonna be fantastic. I got 3.7GB of VRAM allocated and 1.7 processed. So from here you can adjust it, you can put more details, you can put more quality, you know. If fan speed is good because I got 49 degrees here on the video card. Come on, Luke Skywalker. How terrible. Fucking A. No doubt. Come on, look. The Emperor is here. Yes, I managed to kill Lucky. This is so fun to play with the Emperor. Listen, come on, stop. Wow, Emperor Palpatine. Dude, this is so funny. Join the dark side. Alright, let's jump into PUBG and see how it's holding with this video card. I got 1080p with ultra details with 100% render scale. I put it here because I want to see this game utilizing this video card. I know this game knows how to put a little dent on the performance by squeezing the life of the video card. So I was like, okay, I want to see if this video card is being utilized here. I played in Marvel Rivals here with this video card and I was on lowest quality. Did fantastic. In Battlefront it did great. So I just want this video cards to run now with low FPS and see how much utilization I get from the specs of the video card, you know. Can I crash it? Can I actually look at the specs here in the graph, and it's being utilized. Seriously, it's being utilized at maximum, and I loved how the video card is holding, you know, on the temperature side. Driving, apparently I managed to reach 30 FPS. That is very interesting. So in a situation like this, I will say, you know what, there is hope for this video card. I got ultra details, high details, medium details, changing the resolution, all kinds of stuff in order to get more FPS. 40 FPS on this quality with this resolution, it's loading up the video card properly. So 3.8GB of VRAM allocated and 3.4 processed. If I go into the settings and let's say put medium quality, Let's do a reset here. I already got almost 60 FPS with this. This is the most important thing. It feels very fluent now in the building. So if I get more like this, it's gonna be even better. Let's say I want more FPS. What do? Well, I put 90% render scale here on this with medium quality, and I already got 70 FPS. But even like this with medium quality, it feels like almost I want a little more. Is it possible? Well, if you go on low quality with 90% render scale and adjustment, you can do even better. Or keep 100% render scale and go on 900p, not in 1080p, because this resolution apparently it's a little demanding, but it looks okay. You know, it's good even on low quality. So PUBG with this video card, apparently it's possible, but you have to do the right settings. So I will say this is a big W for the video card in this game because it's got a lot of options. Let's see how it's running in Fortnite with performance mode. I'm on 1080p with normal details in this situation. I didn't put view distance at maximum and stuff like that because I want to see how many FPS I can get. I want this video card to succeed on getting me the FPS I need because it's a good video card. It doesn't consume a lot of wattage. It's got only one 6-pin connector on the side, and you can put this video card in all kinds of, how should I say, unloved machines. Love the performance, 65-70 watts consumption, 1.2 gig of VRAM allocated, and 700 process. This is in the air with this. Hopefully, it's gonna average the FPS here properly and the minimal in 1%. 72 watts consumption from this video card is not a lot. You can actually see it can be powered up with 6-pin connector. Now, if you have a computer, an older computer or a video card that is similar, ideal would have been this video card to be low profile, but I found a good deal with this, so I was like, okay, I'll get this one because it's an ASUS, you know, so it's got a big radiator. Because of that radiator, the video card is cool, and I chose this one because, you know what, even though I want the low profile because it's very funky to put this video card every small computer and power up and make it a gaming PC, at the same time I want the video card to be cool, you know, and I was like, oh, this is a nice radiator. It's got really nice performance on the thermals. And I was like, okay, let's see what we got here. But you can actually see it's doing okay in this case. It's holding really nice on the thermals, and that's the only thing that matters. So if I want to play Fortnite with this video card, it's possible. I can adjust it more. Render scale, I'll put view distance and all kinds of settings in the game in order to get more performance from this. It does really nice, seriously. How about if we're jumping in Battlefield 3 with 1080p and ultra details? This is gonna be great because this is a very good quality for this game, and it looks good. It's running really nice with this video card. Hundreds of FPS, 2.1 gig of VRAM allocated, and 1.1 process. Maximum load from this video card and holding pretty well. In a situation like this, the best performance is to have constant, say, 60-70 FPS on average, and if I can maintain that, that's the only thing that matters. 80 FPS on minimal and 76 on 1%. If I'm interested on playing the game, I will do it like this. If I want more resolution from this, I will lower the quality maybe to high details. I'm gonna get the right FPS. This is holding pretty well. Didn't move the mouse, I didn't change nothing. I just wanted to take a plane, go in different scenarios, but it still managed to hold 71 FPS on minimal and 72 on 1%. So the average is good, the minimal is good. There are some glitches here and there, but I don't know, maybe it's because of the game, not because of the driver. The driver is good here. Almost new, I think the newest one. But it's doing a fantastic job. On the CPU side, I got only 20% load. Temperature is still holding there, doesn't have any problems, but I'm very surprised how nice the thermals in this video card is. Seriously, with 50% fan power on 100% load, it gets 51 degrees. This is what I need. When it comes to Counter-Strike on the lowest quality with 1080p, you can actually see the video card is doing fantastic. There's no problem on utilizing this video card in Counter-Strike with 1080p and lowest quality. Performance mode, let's do a reset here because I got nice performance that I want to see. Look at this. This is good. This is good. It's allocating 3.8 gig of VRAM for this video card in this game. It's utilizing 1.8. That means it's very fast, you know, the memory, and it's not banking it on the memory. But it does allocate it. It's not using it. That means the core is fast. It's doing its job. Hence why I got hundreds of FPS. 85, 53 on 1%, 100 on minimal, 97 1.7 and over 100 FPS on average with 220 watts consumption from this computer. I would say this is fantastic. This is the example of efficiency when it comes. No wonder the 1050 Ti was like a king when it comes to budget GPUs. This is a fantastic video card that is performing really well in this game with this computer. So if I'm interested on building an old machine, I will definitely consider a 1050 Ti because it does a fantastic job on some low quality 1080p performance, and yeah, really appreciate it. On the system side, I got 11.7 gig of system RAM, 16.8 gig of virtual memory, so the CPU and the system is doing a fantastic job. There is no question. What the holy smoke, what do I have here? Ooh. Low details with this video card on 1080p is doing great. Not bad. I think the best thing I can do is maybe put some more details. I got 3 gig of VRAM, but I don't know if it's gonna go higher in this situation. So I will call this a big W for the video card in this situation because it's holding hundreds of FPS. Only 220 watts consumption from the whole computer. So I will definitely like to play more this game. Seriously, what the heck is this tank? Seriously, looks like Churchill, but without. This is a tank destroyer. Wow. All right, let's put it to the task and see if we can actually do some damage with it. I like this. 170 FPS on average, 69 on minimal, and let's do a reset and maybe we're gonna get 1% much better. Interesting performance this video card is offering here. Seriously, does it show the track is done? Yeah, look at that, the track is down. You don't see this is nice. Seriously, I'm actually surprised you managed to. What the heck is that? A bullet there? What's this? Seriously, there. Is that where he shoot me? Wow. Can you start the engine? Smack him. Why dip? Let's jump in S.T.A.L.K.E.R and see how it's running with 1080p maximum details and enhanced full dynamic light, DirectX 10. Let's see, 40 FPS. This is good. For this video card, I would say this is awesome. So it's got maximum load on the core, 50 degrees, 1.7 gig of VRAM allocated, and one process. It's holding okay for this game. Usually when I come here with this game, there's a lot of problems with every single video card. Only high-end video card and mammoth of the video card, dual BGA video cards, Crossfire, SLI, those are the only one that works really nice. But in this situation with maximum details on 1080p, with everything turned on with the light, it's holding okay, 40 FPS. Usually at 1080p will be not my first choice. If I want to play this game with this video card, that will be more like 1366 or 720p. But it does work, it does allow me, or maybe even put enhanced dynamic light, but without DirectX 10, and it's going to be much better. It's a very good performance from this. It looks and it runs okay. So on the system side, I have no problem. 7.7 gig of system RAM and 12 gig of virtual memory. It's doing okay, the CPU and the system. Only the GPU is utilized here and it's on the wall. I like this because it offers me some nice content with this old game. That means every single time I want to play with a video card like this, I have to come in older games and I can max it out. It shows me that there is a possibility for this video card if I want higher content, higher quality and higher resolution. Until now everything was 1080p, low details, medium details, performance mode, you know, all kinds of low resolution with newish game or online. But with old titles, this video card can be supreme. And considering it's got only one 6-pin connector in the back, you can actually see it's doing a fantastic job. This is great. Out from start, I want to say this video card is going to be in this PC a little more in the future because I want to put this video card with other games. It's a very nice video card. I like this idea of a 6-pin connector working with so many FPS. So other games will be beneficial for this video card to see how it's performing. I like the video card. 2016, one more year, and it's 10 years old, and it still does a fantastic job with DirectX 12. Seriously, with older games, it's benefiting from FSR, and I think other games will be nice to see how they are performing with this video card, with this legend of a video card. I like this. It's working really nice, and I think Pascal is a nice series, and there's a lot of awesome video cards from this platform. And I think if you're interested on building an older machine or a second machine with a video card like this, it's actually plausible. So 1050 Ti, yes, is why not, but it needs to be cheap. I bought a chip, you need to get a chip, and if you can do that, it's quite awesome. At this stage, I'm very happy I didn't bought the low profile, because apparently this video card is working really cool, and this is a really nice factor. Low profile apparently works a little higher on the temperature, and I don't know how they are holding, considering it's nearly 10 years old. I don't want that risk. So this choice was actually good, and the price was good. So all in all, I can say 1050 Ti. Yeah, a bit too late on the list, you know, to enter the collection, but better late than never, you know, if I can say that. Regardless, I like the video card, I like it, I recommend it, and until now, and if you have any suggestion for this video card or for the games or for the system, leave a comment, and as usual, I will see you very soon.